Thank you, Mark, and a big hello from London. A far simpler series of weekly patterns last week than we have seen over the past 2 weeks. Perhaps summer is really kicking in after all. There were only 4, 2 up and 2 down. We had a weekly key reversal up last week in spot silver, which has seen a more than suitable follow-on higher this week, up from lows established in mid-July. It is interesting to note that this was the first weekly key reversal since the start of March, where the market then had a weekly key reversal down. So all in all, a pretty good outcome. The other weekly key reversal up last week was a freight index in the Baltic Dirty Tanker Index. This also had a nice follow-on higher this week, but on a quieter scale. It follows on from the monthly key reversal up seen in July, and counters earlier weekly key reversals down seen in late June and late April. Over now to weekly key reversals down, and we had a weekly key reversal down last week in LME 3-month nickel, which has started to have a follow-on lower this week, but it has been tentative, and we have not as yet ventured outside last week's range. I cover this more fully in my weekly metals video commentary, which came out earlier today. Finally, we had a weekly key reversal down, if only just, in the US dollar Nigerian Naira 1-month NDF. This week, well, there has been a move lower, but it has been small, barely registering, but it's still on the downside. As always, I'm happy to answer any direct questions with anyone who's interested, and with that, I'll finish this section from London, and I hope that you found these comments useful. Thank you for watching and listening. This weekly broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpick and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.